Hello Adesi and Pardesi friends. Today's recipe is an absolute summer favorite and nothing tastes better on a hot sunny day than fresh and fruity popsicles. And this easy to make recipe has no added sugar and is full of the goodness of fruits. Well, all you need to make these delicious popsicles is your favorite selection of fruit. So I've got some fresh strawberries here, pineapple pieces and some blueberries, but you can pick any fruit that you like. And we are going to blend these to a smooth paste. Layer the popsicle molds with the fruits that have been blended. You can layer them with as many fruity layers as you like to make it more colorful. Pop them in the freezer overnight or at least for a minimum of 8 hours. The colorful and oh so delicious popsicles are a great summer treat, and with the variety of seasonal fruits there is something for everyone at home. So do try out these popsicles, enjoy it with your children and let us know how much you loved it. And we will see you soon with yet another exciting recipe. Until then, stay safe and have a lovely week ahead.